Hello. So, my name is Marta. This is Floyd. Floyd the crazy dog. You would slap me if you could. And what we're going to be doing now is showing you a little bit of catching, just demonstrating a little catching behavior. Um, I don't really know what I'm going to catch yet, but I can tell you what catching is. So, catching is just marking and reinforcing a behavior that your dog presents on their own. It's basically just voluntarily, um, voluntary? Yes, voluntary. Second language problems. Voluntary behavior that your dog does at some point, you like, so you mark it and reward it, and therefore you're reinforcing it and making it occur more often. Um, it's really good to catch things like your dog going on a bed on their own. Um, if something's happening and your dog decides to just lie down on their bed, it's really nice to just say your marker cue. I'm not going to say it. Your marker cue, and then reward it. Therefore, you're making the behavior stronger, and it's going to happen more and more often. Oh, squirrels! It's going to happen more and more often. Good, nice. Should we give it a go? There you go. Now, the only job that Floyd has is to do something that I like. So, I decided to catch this engagement from the guys playing ball over there. Interesting. Good. So I'm not marking this because I want all four balls. Good. There you go. He's trying to give me sit. It's not. Good. You clicked it. Good boy. Where is it? Find it. Good man. Good boy. Well, so now I'm going to try to catch something else. I'm just going to take this to not confuse him. Oh, there you go. So I just clicked him for disengaging. And again. There you go. Good job. So this is our catching and explanation. I hope I understand it well. I think this is the most difficult for me. So, yeah, any feedback will be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much.